Hey guys, TMF, and we have a story here that I've been meaning to cover for at least several weeks now, and it is on DARPA. And as you see here, DARPA gives Moderna 56 million grant to build an espresso machine for CV-19 response. Okay, all right, now here we go. The grant, drumroll, the grant, part of DARPA's Nucleic Acids on Demand Worldwide, now for short, initiative, will allow Moderna to create a 6 foot by 6 foot by 6 foot container. Let me read that again. Allow Moderna to create a 6 foot by 6 foot by 6 foot container that would be capable of producing quote unquote hundreds of doses in just a few short days. These containers could be placed anywhere in the world, making distribution more seamless. That's right. Any questions? And just to refresh the memories out there, lest we forget, Bill Gates' love fest with 666 and the other 666 coincidence surrounding Shamdemic 19, and that's his now infamous 060606 cryptocurrency patent. 2020, of course, cryptocurrency system using body activity data, right? Your body activity to mine cryptocurrency. How will that be tracked? Well, they claim only via smartwatches, your smartphone, etc., and only external devices, right? Because it doesn't at all talk about microchip implants and digital certificates, etc., this specific patent. So yeah, that's not going to be possible, even though we know that's coming. Even though we know implants and digital certificates are coming. So they want people to believe that that's not all going to be at all possibly going to be introduced as being compatible with those the future implementation of these abominations. Right, and that's why it's 060606, even though you drop the zeros and it's 666, because that's how you read it. All the government shill websites, right? The Snopes and the like. Right? Anyone with a critical thinking brain can see right through this. And so I'm sure all coincidence. Okay, 060606. I'm sure just like the first Apple computer selling for $666.66. That's right.